minus ab raised to n minus, now this, take this in bracket, you get b a raised to n minus b raised to n, right? So solve this again. We get a common from this side and it becomes a into a raised to n minus b raised to n minus b common from this side, a raised to n minus b raised to n. Now a raised to n minus b raised to n common and you get a minus b over here. So 0 equals to a minus b into a raised to n minus b raised to n. So what does it mean? Either a minus b equals to 0 or a raised to n minus b raised to n equals to 0. We want n. So this a minus b equals to 0 is of no use to us, right? So forget this. Focus on this. A raised to n minus b raised to n equals to 0. Therefore a raised to n equals to b raised to n. Bring b raised to n below on the left hand side. So it becomes a upon b the whole raised to n equals to 1. But what is when anything is raised to 1? When is it 1? So when the raised to is 0, means 2 raised to 0 is 1, 100 raised to 0 is 1, anything raised to 0 is 1. That means n will be equals to what? 0. That's why this is 1. So n equals to, we get 0, right? This is the required answer. So final answer is n equals to 0. Download Yuva Guru app from Play Store to get these videos, tests, question banks with explanations directly on your mobile. Get 500 plus questions with explanations and case studies on your PC. It's a separate paid version. Follow us on Facebook on this link. WhatsApp us on this number for any query related to purchases. Also, learn tables up to 30, squares up to 30 and cubes up to 15 by heart. They are useful for you throughout your life for various competitive exams. We have separate videos for them. Sing behind those videos on a daily basis and you'll learn them within 3 months. So keep studying, keep watching. Thanks. To watch the videos further, kindly download Yuva Guru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.